Welcome back, guys. So in this tutorial we are going to see on how can we add XML XPATH assertion. So this is one of the very important concept because this will be useful in order to validate the exact response what you are expecting. Say in this tutorial you gave 4 plus 4 and you got the response as 8. So you need to make sure for the add result, next to the add result tag, the number 8 is appearing. In case if you insert contains anywhere in the response, if the number 8 is appearing, then it will make it as pass. But you need to make sure that against the proper tag on the response, the number 8 is coming. In order to do that, we need to add a XPATH assertion. So go to the property content and come down here, click on add. So before writing the XPath assertion, you need to click on the declare button so that it will declare the namespace, and from the response you need to write the XPath. So you need to start digging down the response like ns1. So you are declaring your namespace and it is double dot, and then you need to mention the first tag add response, then 1/, you need to come down to the next level, there it is add result. So once you've done that, you need to verify what is coming as a what you are expecting as a result. So we are expecting the number 8 as the result. So in order to make sure whether you have inserted the correct path, just click on test. Oh, there is some issues. I got it what it is, so I missed to enter the name tag again. So click it this time. Yeah, the response matches the content, so it is passed. So click on save. So this is how you need to make sure against the proper tag in the response you got a number, you got the expected result. So the next thing is you need to verify that the response tag itself is appearing. So how you can do that is just add another XPath and say XPath tag validation, click on OK and declare. So this time we can use the direct, this is the second way of writing the XPath. So for writing the XPath you are having a lot of materials on the net, just go through it to understand some basic. ns1 double dot, and you can mention add result itself directly. So this time you are going to validate the add results is there on the response side. So what you can do is you can add exists function, exists function, and if it is existing then the return value will be true, so your expected result is true. Just click on test, it is matching the response. So this is how you need to make sure the proper response tag itself is appearing on the response. So that will be the second XPath assertion. And the third thing is you can validate whether you got the add result tag only once in the response. So this is just to validate there is no duplication validation. So instead of using the exist function, this time you can use count. You can say double / and add result, and in the expected you need to have only one because in your response it need to appear only once. So just click on test. Okay, there is something missing, actual was 0. Okay, give me a second, count of, okay, so I missed to add the name tag again, it is ns1. So click on test again. This time the response got passed, so click on OK and save. So this is how you need to make sure there is no duplication on your response. So the final one is you can validate the structure of the response. So how you can do that is just add the same XPATH match again, structure validation. Click on OK, declare the namespace, and so just add the first tag alone, add response with the name tag ns1, and click on the select from current, so it will import all the values. Just make sure allow wildcards. If you are sending some different parameters instead of 4 plus 4, if you are sending 5 plus 5, it will never matters what you get as a response. Just this assertion will make sure you are getting proper structured response as per the defined requirements. Click on save. It added another validation as structure validation. So basically with XPATH assertion you can do a lot of things. So before starting this tutorial, just Google on the internet on how to write XPATH. Basically it is very simple only. Just you need to dig down to the attribute on the response. Pretty much that's it. Thank you.